How would you like to get a free niche website today? All you need to do is fill in your name, email address below to get your free niche website. It really is that simple. I'm going to show you exactly how it works, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to put your name right here. So I'm going to put Chad in here. I'm going to put my email address. Click yes, I want this. Okay? Let's just make sure that there. Okay. Now I need to check my email box. All right. There it is. It says Chad, confirm your niche website now. Confirm. And here you are. You're taken to it. So you'll click right here, download the free niche website that's in online traffic, which is a extremely popular niche that people are looking for tons of ways to learn how to get more website to their traffic. So this will be a good website for you, for people to go to, for you to get traffic, okay? And to make money with it also. I have a video here that explains exactly how to set it up. Here's some, if you run into any problems, just click right here and it will show you some information that you might need. I've got some other bonuses here, Instant Niche Profits. Just click on that and we'll give you some ideas about different niches and stuff, maybe even help you with this site today. All right, and then right here, if you don't know a lot about WordPress, this is going to teach you all about WordPress. Very, very simple. Okay, you can watch our video right there. Okay, you're going to get a ton of free bonuses in here. Okay, all you got to do is just sign up for this stuff. It's free, and like I said, and I'm going to show you what the website looks like. Okay, so let's go over here. All right, let's go back over here, and here's the website. Okay, so what I would do is these websites have ClickBank things. What I would do is I would go become an affiliate, leave these in here because these are extremely these are ads that are doing extremely well and converting really well to make people large commission checks. Okay, so that's what I would do is I would just go in there, and I'm going to show you all this stuff in there. But you can go in there and you can change this to your own affiliate links. Okay, tons of different things. Do you have a newsletter I could subscribe to? I mean, it's just tons of things. Shows you how to do stuff with Google. You're going to learn more about this once you play with this, okay? But what's going to happen is, let's go inside. Okay, I'm going to show you how many posts you get. If you were to pay someone about $10 an article, but really these are about $20 per article, okay? Right there, you got 44 of them. So I mean, you're close to what? You're close to over $800, almost $900. Then the graphics and all that on the website and everything set up for you. It's insane the amount of value you're getting here. The total value is probably around $1,200 total, if not maybe $1,500. And I'm giving it to you absolutely free today. Plus, I'm going to give you, if you ever want to buy any niche websites, I'm going to give you a 50% off discount code to my done for you nichewebsites.com website, and you can get 50% off if you want to get other niche websites. Okay, let me just click right here so you can see on my website right here. Like I said, the value of it is, like I said, it's close over $1,000, close to $1,500. But you can see on my website right here, you can buy it today for $27. So I'm giving it to you for free. Okay, but what you can do is you can use the promo code. And then what you can do is you can shop right here, and you can click on any one of these things right here, these niche websites, and decide which one you want, and you can get 50% off all these right here. But I'm not even worried about that right now. I want you to enjoy this niche website that you're going to get from us right now. So like I said, all the instructions are in here to help you with your new niche website. That's an online traffic niche. Very, like I said, very popular. Very, very excited. If you have any questions, just click our support right here. But like I said, you've got tons of free bonuses to help you with WordPress. You've got videos right here, a video right here that's going to explain everything to you in detail on how to set this up, and then you can start playing with the site. The other cool thing is you can actually you have private label rights to this particular niche website. So that means you can sell this website to your list. You can put it on Flippa. You can do whatever you want with this. I'm giving you 100% free PLR rights. So you can do anything you want with it. So this is a really good bonus for free. So all you need to do is fill in your name, email address, and we will send you to the thank you page and allow you to start making affiliate commissions with your new niche website. This is Chad Portnove again. We really hope you enjoy this free niche website. If you have any questions, like I said, come down here and click to our support. And like I said, have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.